External Affairs Minister of State Pavitra Margarita today said that the Pakyong Airport will be operational soon. Margarita, who was in Sikkim to review the progress of the welfare project, said that there are technical issues which will be resolved soon. The Union Minister said that he was given a presentation by the airport authorities on the present status of the lone airport connecting the Himalayan state. Margarita maintained that the Ministry of Civil Aviation, technical experts and even the state government are in talks to resolve the issues at the earliest and hoped that the airport will be functional soon.
Reality about this district, I think you don't, is the defunct Pakyong Airport. What are the...
Some technical issues are there, as the members of the department officially presented the present status of the Pakyong Greenfield Airport. First of all, I think, being a Northeastern, I'm also from Assam, being a person from Northeast, I must thank Honorable Prime Minister that we, the Sikkimese, the people of Pakyong, got the first greenfield airport in Sikkim. It's a very important airport. But I'm told that some technical problems are there. I think all the technical problems will be resolved. Right from our Honorable Ministers of Civil Aviation and the technical experts and the local government are in discussion. I think the problems for which this is being defunct for a couple of months, it will be again operational. I'm optimistic for that also.
And Margarita also spoke on the resumption of the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra through Nathula.
So after 5 years, Mansarovar Yatra will start from the via Nathula. So what is your message as the External Affairs Minister?
No, it's we are always trying our best for overall development and as well as for the development of our culture, our heritage, for preserving our civilization. So this Mansarovar Yatra is a part of our 1,000-year-old Indian culture and heritage. So always look forward for cooperating all the pilgrims, all the students, all the interested people so that they smoothly they can visit Mansarovar.